beginning of our 2 tomato plants, from seed to harvest. We start with 2 seeds, planted carefully, 1 for each future tomato plant.
The seeds awaken, and the first signs of life push gently through the soil.
Now the baby seedlings open their first leaves and begin their earliest stage of growth.
After the first baby leaves, the true tomato leaves begin to form, and the plants start growing faster.
Day by day, both seedlings grow taller, stronger, and more ready for the next stage. This is the big transition, moving each young tomato into its final growing container.
Now the long growing phase begins, with 2 small plants rooted in place and ready to grow.
Over days and weeks, the stems stretch upward, and the leaf canopy thickens with healthy new growth.
Support goes in early, giving both plants the structure they need as they begin to climb.
With support in place, both plants begin reaching upward fast, stretching higher day by day.
A little pruning and gentle training help both plants stay healthy, balanced, and ready for the next phase.
Soon the canopy thickens, the plants look fuller, and the structure begins to disappear behind healthy growth.
The first buds appear. Tiny green-yellow signals that flowering is just about to begin.
Then the flowers open, one of the most beautiful moments in the entire growing cycle.
Now both plants are in full bloom, covered with flowers and moving quickly toward fruit.
As the flowers fade, the first tiny green fruits begin to form, marking a major turning point. Each day the fruit grows larger, and both plants begin to look more and more like a real harvest is coming.
Soon both plants are full of green fruit, heavy enough to pull the branches down with promise.
Then the color begins to change, from green to yellow to orange, and the ripening stage becomes impossible to miss.
What was once green now turns red across both plants, and the harvest suddenly feels very close.
At last, both plants are full of ripe tomatoes, the most rewarding stage of the entire process. Up close, the fruit looks glossy, full, and vibrant, proof that both plants have reached a beautiful harvest stage. The first ripe tomatoes are picked carefully, first from the left plant, then from the right.
With every handful, the basket fills up, turning the season's growth into something real you can finally hold.
From 2 seeds to a full harvest, this is the complete journey of 2 tomato plants grown with patience, care, and time.